Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your EV OBD readiness for diagnostics. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your EV OBD readiness for diagnostics, start by gathering the necessary tools. You will need an OBD2 scanner compatible with electric vehicles. Ensure the vehicle is turned off before connecting the scanner. Locate the OBD2 port in your EV, usually found under the dashboard near the steering column. Plug the OBD2 scanner into the port securely. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the vehicle. Once the scanner powers on, navigate to the Readiness or Diagnostics menu. Follow the prompts on the scanner to initiate the readiness check. The scanner will communicate with your vehicle's onboard computer. Wait for the scan to complete, which may take a few moments. Once finished, the scanner will display the readiness status of various systems. Check for any systems marked as not ready or incomplete. If all systems show ready, your EV is prepared for diagnostics. If some systems are not ready, you may need to drive the vehicle to complete the necessary cycles. Refer to your vehicle's manual for specific drive cycle instructions if needed. Once you've completed the necessary drive cycles, repeat the readiness check with the scanner. Take note of any error codes or warnings displayed on the scanner. Follow the recommended steps to address any issues indicated by the codes. After resolving any problems, conduct the readiness check again for confirmation. Once all systems are marked as ready, your EV is ready for diagnostics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.